Reading of the day, I'm Ishan Garg from the Boarding News Center. Nothing is impossible. The word itself says I'm possible. With this motivational quote, we are moving ahead to encourage the students for their exams. A meditation workshop was held for the boarders. This is a meditation that requires steering at the center of a Sri-Yantra pattern, which helps to build concentration and attention span, as well as balance and release emotions. The Mango Party organized was a laid-back, fun, and casual get-together, making it an ideal opportunity to relax and unwind after a long week of exams and heavy workload. One serving after the other, all enjoyed the event and interacted with each other outside their usual living spaces. The boarding family gathered to provide an opportunity for the students to reflect on their personal achievements and contributions to the school community. This allows them to develop a sense of pride and ownership, which can have a positive impact on their overall well-being. Goodbyes were always sorrowful, and to make this one the brightest, the following event was organized by the boarders to bid farewell to our beloved Dean of Residences and School Enrichment, Mr. Saurav Sinha. The speeches and performances delivered reflected his grace and leadership during his tenure. It was an overwhelming and heartwarming gesture by all boarders and staff members to express their gratitude. As rightly said, a mother's arms are more comforting than anyone else's. A small get-together was planned in our residence with the female boarding faculty to express gratitude for their sacrifices maternal figures. It is an appreciation given through a small event for their efforts in raising and nurturing the children. Summer vacation is a time to make memories, have fun, and enjoy life to the fullest. With this quote, we're ending here to meet in the next session from the Boarding News Center. Thank you.